of the day. And over there's the waterfall. So you could go down that way or this way probably. Let's see. Down. I think you can go that way. I don't know. Let's see where this is going to take us first, and then we'll decide what we're going to do. Oh, look at the roots on that tree. Wow. Dang. Wow, I might need to put my phone down. Or maybe not. Here we are. Wow. We'll turn around in a second and see the waterfall. I'm gonna stop this because there's some people up here, but I'm gonna get past them and then I'll start filming again. Let's see. Wonder what that is back there. Okay, now we're on the side. Let's check out the view from here. This is Olmsted Falls, by the way, which isn't too far from where we were earlier, because it's all pretty close. Craziness. So many waterfalls so close together. So here's this view of this one. Try to do it without the people. I want to get a picture of that other waterfall, but these kids are jumping right now. There's a cool bridge down there, though. Okay. Now, let's see if I can get any closer to this waterfall where these kids are jumping. Okay. Apparently, this is where they're coming out of the water at. So, I'm coming down here to get a photo. Look at that, though. Well, you can't see very good down the water there, but whoa. There we go. Wandering around more at this park. Huh. This is interesting. I kind of want to go over there. Not gonna lie. Dang it. Do I? Look at this. Bonnie. I don't know what that is. But look at it. Right there. I don't know what it would be. Oh, it's like a pole split in half at the top, maybe? But why? I don't know. I want to go down over there. Appears to be safe. Wow. So this just takes you right here and that's it, huh? Okay. Oh, I wish I could get down there. Dang it. Look at that tree. Ooh, boy. Okay. It just ends. Not really exciting, as I had hoped. It's cool stuff here. What's it? This is Olmsted Falls. Old train station. Thingy Bob. I hear one. I don't. He sounds like he might be coming from this way. What? Well, somebody's honking somewhere and he sounds like he's coming from that direction. Check out the little caboose. We'll go up both sides just to be efficient. Like a G. Wonder what that G means down there. Anybody know? Alright. Oops, sorry. It looks like a mess in there.
Probably hasn't been taken care of exactly.
Okay, other side. I'm going to the other side so I'm efficient. What's the little G mean down here? Do you know, sister? The little G in the star. Right there. There's a G in the star.
No, but I can ask Chris.
There's one here too. Now I don't hear that train horn. It's probably not coming now. You can smell the oldness. You can smell it. It's got that smell.
The old musty, moldy smell?
Oh my god, it smells so good. I love it. Yeah, the old musty smell. Trespassing is dangerous and illegal. Stay off the tracks. Always what?